Hi dears, we'll see about the definition of curriculum. So what is the definition of curriculum? Yes, standards based series of scheduled experiences known as a curriculum allows students to practice and master both academic knowledge and practical learning abilities. Curriculum is the fundamental guidance for all educators as to decide what is needed for teaching and learning so that every student has access to demanding academic experiences. What you have seen is it is some experience, okay, it is already decided, okay, and that student is going to learn, and also whatever academic knowledge is there, they will master that academic knowledge, and also um, how it is used in a daily life also they will learn. And now curriculum is nothing but it helps the educators which line how they should do, where they have to follow. So it gives a sort of to say, it helps, and can say it helps the educators what they are supposed to teach, and how to teach, okay, and what are the experience should be given to the children. So these are the things a curriculum is doing for the teacher. Now we go to the next one, components, curriculum components. So what we are going to say is curriculum components means what? So what first component of curriculum is nothing but goals. The standards based benchmarks or objectives for teaching and learning are called curriculum goals. Next is next is the methods, the choices, strategies, practices, and routines educators employ in the classroom to involve all students in productive learning are referred to as methods. Then we go to materials. The instruments used to carry out strategies and accomplish the curriculum's objectives are known as materials. Then assessment, the continuing process of learning about a student's learning is known as assessment in a curriculum. How much students learn, you are going to assess, right? That is known as the assessment in the curriculum. So what are the materials we are using, okay, so that our curriculum objectives is met, that is known as the materials. What are the methods you are using in order so that all students are involved, okay, all students are involved so that learning happens. Then goals, what are the objectives of teaching learning, how to that goal is fixed. So what are the things we are going to do in order to reach the curriculum, some goals is there, right? So we are fixing the goals, that is known as the goals of the curriculum, or we can another name of calling is the benchmark, right? Goals is a wider one, broader if you say objectives, but all these are known as the goals of the curriculum. Now we go to the functions of curriculum in education, right? Development of individuals. First one is, if you see the functions of curriculum, what are the functions of curriculum in education? The first function is nothing but development. Individual has to be developed. That is holistic development of the individual. That is the first function of curriculum. Second one is producing responsible citizens. Not only the individuals has to develop, means holistic development of the individual, and not only that, he should be he should take care of the society also, right? That individual. So he should be a responsible citizen. That is the another function of the curriculum. Another is to develop basic skills. He has to work and survive, right? So basic skills he should know for his survival. Next is the prevention and transmission of cultural heritage. Whatever is our cultural heritage, we have to transform through generation after generation. So we have to preserve it, and also we have to transform it to the next generation. So these are the functions of our curriculum. Now we go to the question section. Questions. First question is define curriculum. Second question is what are curriculum components and explain each of them. Third one is what are the functions of curriculum. Fourth one is what are John Dewey's conceptions of the curriculum. Now we go to the level 3. Watch lessons. Lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3. After listening to these 3 videos, now you go to the next slide, that is questions. Define school subject, define academic discipline, differentiate school subject and academic discipline. What are the aims of schooling? Thank you, students. Now we come to the end of the module 1. Now we go back to the modules, and what we have seen in the modules is nothing but understanding disciplines and subjects, and then we completed our module 1, introduction to discipline and subjects. Then module 2, that is discipline and subjects in social cultural perspectives, disciplinary knowledge and school education, right? So we go to module 2. What is module 2? So this module 2, what we have seen in the in the module 1, that is continuation of that is module 2. So as we see in the module 1, same way we will do. The first one is disciplines and subjects in social cultural perspectives. Now we go to Level 1. Level 1 is nothing but what is the meaning of knowledge? Okay, in order to see the meaning of knowledge, we have to see what are the okay, we will see meaning of knowledge, etc. in the next class.